Hey guys, welcome to my humble review. Today we are unboxing and setting up a smart bulb by Lepro. I mean LE Pro. This bulb is 9.5 watts and has a brightness of 800 lums. You could adjust the color from 2700 Kelvins, which is like a warm yellow, to 5000 Kelvins, which is like daylight. You could also get Alexa or Google to turn your lights on or off, change colors and brightness. There is a bulb, phone numbers to call if there's a problem, a thank you card, and instructions. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to download the Lamp UX app. You will need to sign up. When you're finished, click on the plus sign. Next, you'll click on the bulb. I just clicked on got it. You do not need to turn on your location service. This only works in a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Then type in your Wi-Fi name and your password. After you turn your bulb on and off 3 times, wait until the light blinks rapidly. Next, click the confirm indicator rapidly blinking. Next, this screen will pop up. This part should not take long. Okay, click next. Let's go ahead and rename the bulb. Click on the pencil on the top. Click on the name on the top. Click on the name here. Now let's re-enter our name. I'll name this Room 2. Next, click confirm. You can add other people so they can control the light. Create groups. You could also add a shortcut to your home screen. You could also set a schedule to turn your lights on or off. Let's set up a schedule. Click on schedule, then click add. Select your time. Click on repeat to choose which days you would like the action to be carried out. You could add a note. If you would like, you could add a notification. Here you can choose if you want to turn the light off or on. Let's say you want to group these rooms. Click on any one, then click on the pencil. Scroll down and click on create group. Select the rooms you would like for the group. Click on save. Next, name your group. Click save again. Your group will appear on top of the list. Let's see how it works.